Hey, how's it going? Today I'll show you how to get an amazing and totally free adult application to your Fire Stick or Android TV. The whole setup is going to be super easy and will take you only a couple of minutes. And first of all, you have to get an app called Downloader. You can get it for free from the official Amazon App Store or a Google Play Store, depending on your device. Just go to search on your Fire Stick and start typing Downloader right here in the search. As you can see, it already popped out for us at the bottom, so there was even no need to enter the whole name of the app, which is once again Downloader. So we click on it, and that's the application which you need to get to your device. However, after you get Downloader, it's not over yet. We still have to set it up. And to do so, we'll go to settings. So here they are. Scroll down, go to My Fire TV, and here we'll have to enable developer options for your device. However, on some Fire Sticks, and especially on the new ones, the developer options might be hidden by default. So if that's the case, don't worry, it's really easy to make them appear. Just go to About, select Fire TV Stick, and now click on the middle button on your remote for 7 times, and do it fast. So let's do it. As you can see, now at the bottom it says no need, you are already a developer. That's in my case. In your case, it's going to say that you have become a developer now. And if you go back a bit, you will finally see developer options which have appeared right here. Open them, make sure to enable ADB debugging, then go to install unknown apps and turn that option on for the downloader. So what it does is going to allow us to install other applications from the internet and not necessarily only from official Amazon App Store. And that's exactly what we're going to do right now. So now let's go to the list of apps on your device. Here it is, let's click on it. And there's the downloader application, which will guide to your Fire Stick. However, there's one more thing which I really recommend doing before actually using the downloader, and it's of course connecting to a VPN. In my case, I mostly use NordVPN. They are super fast, they got a great application for Fire Sticks or pretty much any other device, and they're not expensive for such a premium service. In the VPN app, you just connect to any server, and from the moment you connect, all your internet traffic is going to be encrypted. It means nobody is going to be able to track you or snoop on you. And it's really important if you wish to stay out of trouble online. And if you are interested in getting a VPN or giving it a try, I do have a special offer for you. If you use my link, which will be in the pinned comment below this video, you'll get 4 months of NordVPN totally for free, which is an amazing offer. So go get those 4 months for free and then use Downloader safely. Then let's finally open Downloader. On the left side menu, make sure to click on Home, and then here in the search bar, we have to type a code, which is going to be 28907. So once again, the code is 28907, and then you click on Go. Now, in a couple of seconds, a website is going to open for you. Now, when the website has opened, you have to scroll down a bit until you see a list of categories. Here it is, and here is the category we have to click on with the heart icon. Click on it, and then you'll see a huge list of applications. Here is the one which we need to click on. I will not pronounce the name of the app because YouTube may not like it, but you can see the app name on the screen, so just click on it. Then if any ad opens up for you here, make sure to click on close, because if you click on open, it's going to mess everything up for you, so click on close. Then a new web page is going to open, which you also have to scroll down. And keep scrolling until you see that download button right here. It has to look like that one. Click on it, and the download is going to start. Then click on install in the right bottom corner, and after the app has been installed, do not press on open yet, instead click on done, because here we'll have an option to delete the installation file, as we don't need it anymore. So click on delete, and then delete once again. Now let's finally go to the list of apps on our device. Here it is, click on it. And when you scroll down at the bottom, you'll find this new adult application which we just got to your Fire Stick. I would highly recommend you to get a mouse toggle application as well, because it will make it easier to navigate that adult application. If you don't have a mouse toggle yet, I do have a tutorial on my channel on how to set it up. You'll see a link to that video on the screen, so just click on it and watch the video. And don't forget to use a VPN to stay safe and anonymous online when using such applications. Once again, a link to a great offer is going to be in a pinned comment below this video.